Now let us see uh, element selectors. They are called pseudo element selectors. So in CSS we have a lot of pseudo element selectors. Now let us do one thing. Let us write a paragraph over here, and let us write 50 words over here. Okay. Now supposedly if I want to um, give this L, first L as some bold letters or something, or before that let us save the result, let us save the file and see the result. Let us put this color as normal one. Okay, and save it. So if we want this first letter to be given some special style, how do we do? Let us see that. Now let us learn element class selectors. Okay, assume that we have a paragraph like this. Assume that as I said we want to highlight L. So this is where we use pseudo element class selectors. Suppose if you don't have that, how do you do that? So select that L and bring out the command palette, type wrap with the span, right? So here in span you can mention your style. For the span we define a class like first letter. Okay, okay, we remove the unwanted double quotes. Now it is okay. Save it. Now let us go to our style.css and let us do one thing. Other styles, uh, we need to define dot first letter. We define a style. Uh, Let us give font weight 500 pixels. Save it and let us see the result. You can make it as bold also, right? And let us cross verify our class name, first letter. Okay, spellings you need to be careful. Now let us see the result. Okay, just give me a sec. See, the first letter has been given a weight of bold, but this is using span, right? But for this we have pseudo element selectors. Now let us learn how to pseudo element class selectors. Okay, let us learn how to use them. First we remove this span. Okay, because for this type of requirements we have pseudo class element selectors, right? So remove that, save this and come here. Now let us remove this paragraph to avoid any confusion, and let us give p colon colon. Okay, so this is this style for pseudo class selector. So let us save it and see the result now. the result, same result you are getting. Thus you have to define colon colon. Okay, selector specify. Okay, so like this. See, we use double quotes for pseudo elements, single quotes, single colon for pseudo class selector, and double colon for pseudo class elements. What is the difference? Pseudo class elements, if you want to use particular portion of any text or something, you have to use pseudo class element selectors, whereas class specifies the entire element, HTML element, right? And pseudo class element selector is used for portion of a text or something. We have another pseudo element selector, class selector, that is first line. First line we define color as blue. Let us save this and see the result. So as discussed, entire first line has been given a color of blue. So I think by this time you should have understood why we are using pseudo element class selectors. So HTML is used to frame or used to build the structure of your document or the structure of text, how you want it to be defined or laid out, and style sheets are used to inject styles, highlights, colors, fonts, everything. Okay, so I think by this time every one of us know what is used for what. Okay, see, if we are selecting the background color is blue, we can even change that color to pink using pseudo class element selectors. Let us do that. So for paragraph colon colon, and you give selection and color we give pink. Okay, let us save entire files and see the result. See, whatever you select, highlight, they are all coming into pink color, right? Now I say let us have background color as pink. Okay, and this color let us remove it. Okay, I don't want font color to be pink, I want background color to be pink. Save it and see the result. See, I select this. Now this is being background colored as pink. So this is the beauty of pseudo class element selectors. If you want this selector to be more flexible, remove this paragraph element, HTML element, save it, whatever the HTML element you have, for every highlight you will get what we call pink color for any highlight for background. So suppose I say H2 heading here, right? Okay, let me correct the spelling. Heading. Save all and let us see the result. See? So like this. If you select it, background color will be pink. Let us see one more pseudo class element selector. Okay, that is P Okay, and before I say dot dot dot, and let us save it, see the result. Here the attribute is content. Okay, content, let us put dot dot dot. Now let us save it and see the result. See the result where we got dot dot dot. So here the style should be like this: content in double quotes, you should put dot dot dot. Okay, earlier I did a mistake, but don't do that. Let's do one thing. Let's put display at block level. What does block level do? It occupies entire space. So it occupies entire line, and our paragraph should. So let us see the result. See, block level element means whatever you put, it occupies entire block or entire line. Our paragraph starts from the next line. Similarly, we have another pseudo element called after. Okay, you can see the result, what it does. Our content has been put after the paragraph and it is at block level.